Oh, we back again with the Nokia news. What's up guys, Nokia is working hard on its 9.3 5G flagship phone. Last time we talked about how Nokia is closing on finalizing the under-screen camera for its upcoming flagship phone. I really do hope that happens, and now they're actually designing another feature to perfection which Samsung should have done. We talking 8K video. And yes, this is something that Galaxy S20 can do, but only at 24 frames per second. It's not as smooth, which is why people stick with 4K unless you have tripod or have the phone stabilized, and it's all good. But 30 FPS would have been the ideal option to go for. And well, Nokia, they've been kind of looking at Samsung, watching their take on 8K video, and they're gonna do it better. So as per latest leak, Nokia is bringing 8K video at 30 frames per second on its flagship phone. According to the inside report, the results look pretty impressive, and they're currently working on optimizing the camera algorithms. Now you may not know this, but Nokia is the exclusive partner of Zeiss. It's a German company known for their excellent optics. For the first time with Nokia 9.3 PureView, Zeiss is working on special Zeiss effects for this camera. In addition to that, there's going to be a pro mode in the works as well, with full controls over your ISO aperture along with the raw output. Since this is a brand new big sensor, we're also gonna get a pro night mode. Now the company that is collaborating with Nokia in the making of this camera along with Zeiss is called Finish. The most interesting part about this camera is that Nokia is implementing the ultra wide angle lens as 108 megapixel. That is the first time we're gonna see this kind of implementation. All those megapixel for ultra wide angle lens, it's definitely gonna be something to see. The main sensor is said to come at 64 megapixel sensor, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens will be there, another sensor for depth camera, and another for macro shots. In total, 5 cameras. The Nokia 9.3 PureView surely looks pretty packed. It's gonna be rocking the Snapdragon 865 chip, 12 gigs of RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, 120Hz Quad HD display, and it might just be the first smartphone on the market to have the under-screen camera technology that we are so waiting to see happen. Also in the news, Qualcomm has officially announced a new and improved Snapdragon 768 5G chip. This is the second best chip from Qualcomm that could power a lot of phones like the Pixel 5 and higher Samsung A series phone, and possibly the Nokia 8.3 5G phone. Yes, in addition to the Nokia 9.3, they're also working on the 8.3 and 6.3 5G phones that will be at mid-range level, around that $500 price range. So we could actually see this chipset coming with that 8.3 5G phone. This chip got 15% faster GPU gains over the Snapdragon 765 and around the same 15% CPU improvements. It fully supports the native display resolution of 120Hz, pretty awesome improvement. So interesting development in the Nokia leaks. Which flagship phone do you think is the most exciting? Is it the Galaxy Note 20 Plus or the iPhone 12 or Nokia 9.3 PureView? Be sure to comment below and vote in the poll section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos. I always appreciate that. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.